Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart start menu in Windows 10 PC. So firstly, right click on task bar and in here click on task manager. Now friends, in here navigate start, this one. So right click on it and click on end task and close it and try to open start menu, so it will work as usual. So friends, by this very easy and quick video you can restart start menu in Windows 10 PC. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.